When creating a web page, chances are you want your site to point to other pages, whether to a section on your site or someone else. Pointing to resources, after all, is what the web is all about. And let me show you how to do that. Hey, my name is Shem Ogweno, and this is video number 12 in our HTML series for absolute beginners. In this video, we are going to look at markups that create hyperlinks. An anchor tag denoted by an A element, which has an attribute called href, is used to create hyperlinks in HTML. So here's how it looks. The href attributes specify the URL of the page the link goes to, and anything between the opening and the closing tags is the clickable text. So on my screen, I have a paragraph and I want to change this weather to a link. So I'll start by adding an anchor tag and save it. Then on my browser, reload, there's nothing happened. So to make this a link, I will add my href. And then the value will be the URL of the weather site. Now it's a link. If you click it, it takes you to the weather site. Now to make this link open a new tab, I will add an attribute called target with a value of _blank. Now when you save it, reload your browser. If you click it, opens a new tab. Let's look at another example. I have an ordered list. Inside the list, I have homepage, about me, contact me. And this is how they appear on the browser. So if you click my homepage, it will take you to my homepage. If you click my about me, it will take you to my about me page. And if you click contact me, it will take you to the contact page. If you look at my href, I have home.html. Here I have about.html. Then here I have a contact.html. To create a page like this one, on my home.html, I have my level 1 heading here. Then on my unordered list, homepage has no link, but the rest has links. Then you can do the same for about me page and contact me page. And to make this happen, all the files need to be in the same folder as your main page. And there you have it. So I encourage you to practice creating anchor tags. And in the next video, we will see more examples on anchor tags. If you got value from this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and get time to code. I'll see you in the next one.